Hello friends, welcome to my channel. My name is Rishav and I'm here again with another new video. So today in this video I am going to unbox a webcam. I am not generally creating these types of unboxing video, but today I plan to create one. Okay, so if you are searching for a webcam to shoot your videos or for online video calling also, you can purchase this one. Okay, so I will first unbox that webcam and show you what is the features and what things you will get in the box. So watch this video completely to understand everything in detail. So this is the webcam. You can see this webcam. This is of HP company and its name is Webcam W200. Okay, so I will unbox this webcam and tell you guys like what are the features and what is the video quality of this webcam. Okay, so you can see that this is the webcam and this is of HP company. If you want to know the features, you can see here the webcam features are listed here, like high definition 1280 x 720 video, UVC plug and play, built-in digital microphone, fixed focus, universal clip, supported tripod, means you can attach this webcam to tripod also, and the limited warranty is given from the date of purchase is 1 year. Okay, this is the webcam that you can attach on your laptop or desktop and it is HD. Okay, so these are the details mentioned here, and here you can see what's inside. So only one webcam you will get with a data cable. Okay, and if you see the price here, the price is mentioned 3000. Okay, and the month and year is February 2022 and these are the details mentioned. Okay, so now I will unbox this webcam. So when you open webcam, you will see this box and this manual. Okay, so if you want to read this manual, you can read it, but I will not read it, so I will throw it and let's move to the main content. So this is our webcam and this is also rubbish, so we will throw that and I will show you the webcam. So this is the webcam. Okay, this is the tripod clip, you can use this tripod clip, and this is the HP webcam. Okay, so this is so good and you can see the build quality is also good. You will get a USB cable. Okay, and this is the mentioned some things, and if you flip this webcam, here you can see this is the clip. Okay, you can open this clip and here you can see this is the rubber pad. Okay, so with this rubber pad you can attach it to your desktop. Okay, and this is the screw given here to attach it on tripod. So I will attach it on tripod and show you. Okay, so here is my tripod, you can see. So first I will make it down. This is my tripod, ignore that pillow. Okay, and I will open this first. How it will open here. So I will open it. Lots of struggle here. So you can see this, like this you can set up on your tripod. Okay, and this is the USB cable, you can use it to connect with your phone. Okay, and then you can start recording with this camera. So if you want to purchase that webcam, I will provide the link in description. You can go and check out. And I want to tell you guys that that is my friend's parcel. I just opened it to make video. So I unboxed it and shown to you. So if you are planning to purchase one webcam, consider that one. Okay, so I will meet you guys again in next video with some useful information. Till then you can like this video. Okay, so bye bye, take care and best of luck for the future.